Hello everyone! I made this vlog because I got an information that someone is using my YouTube account, OJ Ginto, and pretending to be me. May nagme-message po sa akin recently asking if ako po ba yung nasa Facebook account na yon. Kasi he claims to be na iisa lang yung OJ Ginto at yung FB account na yon. Later on, i-disclose ko sa inyo kung sino yung Facebook account na yon. But remember, never ever fall into any scam, especially if nanghihingi ng pera ahead of the service. Kasi for the past 4 years, never ako nanghingi ng down payment prior to receiving the documents. So usually, hinihintay ko muna dumating yung mga documents bago ako hihingi ng down payment. I am disclosing now the Facebook account. If you observe, nakalock yung Facebook profile niya. And this is not me, hindi po ako yan. Ang pangalan ko po sa social media, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, are all the same, OJ Ginto. Meron akong 2 Facebook account, meron akong isang Instagram account, and then meron akong 3 TikTok account. But mostly, marami akong followers. And if someone is asking you for money, huwag po kayong magbigay kasi hindi po ako yon, especially if they're using my name. You can always message me in Facebook account, the main account, if you want to verify. Kasi beginning June, hindi na po ako ma-accept, tumatanggap ng mga application because magpa-final exit na po ako. Be careful and always mind kung sino po yung pinapadalhan nyo ng pera. Disclaimer po, hindi na po ako nag-aasikaso ng police clearance. So, ibig sabihin, hindi na po ako nagtatransact. So, yun lang po and thank you very much. I hope hindi po kayo ma-fall sa scam na to.